Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube banner with Canva. So first go to canva.com. Once you go to canva.com, click on create. From here, select the option for YouTube banner. So I'm going to search for it and here I click YouTube banner. So now I'm going to use the existing template here. So let me pick up the first template and show you how to create it. Now I'm on my first template. Let me edit few things and say I want to change the picture. So I'm going to select one of my pictures and add it here. So now you see that they have given you the margin. So basically this is the area which is going to show on all the devices. So as you see here, this image is going to get cut. So if you want to stay within the margin, reduce it and then okay, now I'm good with this image. So what I'll do is I'll try to save my banner. So once I save it, then I'm going to go to my YouTube channel and here go to the customization, click on banner image and say if I want to select this one. See how it's going to look like? It's going to be perfect. And click on done and then you can publish it. I'm not publishing here because I already have my banner image, but I'd like to show you how my banner image is. So I go to my channel and this is how my banner is. Okay, so it's very simple, straightforward. You can easily create the banner in Canva and you can use variety of templates, and hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. So if there are any other topics you would want to learn in Canva, please let me know in comments. I'm happy to share my knowledge. So definitely like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.